These buns can save dinner or make the whole table feel special because they look like something from a good bakery, but inside they have a simple homemade cabbage filling. You will find the ingredients in the description, and I am starting right away with the starter. Stay with me till the end, because I will show you how to shape them so they look much prettier than regular yeast buns and still stay easy to seal. Into the risen starter, I sift the rest of the flour and mix everything well. Then I add 1 egg and start kneading the dough. The only important thing here is that the egg should be at room temperature. At first the dough will feel very sticky, but I do not add any more flour. Once the ingredients come together, I add the soft butter and knead everything for about 15 minutes. After that, the dough is soft, elastic, and does not stick to my hands at all. I grease the bowl with oil, place the dough inside, cover it, and leave it in a warm spot for about 1.5 hours. In a little oil, I saute the chopped onion, the grated carrot, and the young cabbage. Even at this stage, you can already tell the filling will taste very homemade and gentle. I season everything with salt, pepper, and a little caraway. Then I let it cook gently under a lid until the cabbage softens and everything settles down nicely. At the end, I add a spoonful of tomato paste. If needed, you can add a little water. Then I leave the cabbage filling to cool down. I turn the risen dough out onto the counter and cut it into smaller pieces. I shape each piece into a ball and cover them with plastic wrap so the dough does not dry out. Now I shape the buns. I roll the dough into an oval, cut off a small piece for decoration, place the filling in the middle, and seal the sides well. I really like this part, because this is when simple buns start looking like something much more special, even though the filling itself is very simple and home style. From that small piece, I cut little strips to make it look like a leaf. Then I attach it with a little water on top of each bun. That one tiny detail makes the whole effect, because once baked, the buns look like something made for a holiday or a cozy weekend table. I brush the buns with beaten egg yolk and milk. Then they go into the oven, preheated to 356 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that is it. Enjoy. If you like simple lighter cabbage buns like these, leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you for cooking with me today.